guys, this is Shane Bearden from Hunt Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. Just wanted to take a minute to show you guys this 2019 Dodge Challenger Special Edition. This is the Stars and Stripes Edition, which pays special tribute to our military service members. Any of you guys that are watching, we appreciate everything you guys do. This car does have, as you can see on the front, it does have the satin stripes, black stripe, and then a silver stripe off to one side there. It does kind of give it a little more aggressive look. Come around here to the side. And this does come, this particular package does come with matte black 20-inch wheels. If we come in close here for a second, you can see that it also has bronze brake calipers. Take a quick step back so you can get a good wide body shot. Said Chrysler does a good job of paying tribute to military members. You know, military members buy a whole lot of Chrysler products, so they definitely try to salute them when they can. As you can see, the stripes come all the way to the back. See the dual exhaust, and that patented Dodge back end. This particular model is a Scat Pack edition, so it does have the 6.4 liter Hemi. It's going to put out 485 horsepower, 475 pounds of torque. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. Those bronze brake calipers are Brembo calipers, and as you can also see, an American flag. Let's take a look inside. So in addition to the features that you saw on the Stars and Stripe package on the outside, there's a few features on the inside that are exclusive to this special edition. You got some gold stitching along the steering wheel and along the seats. There is a bronze star on the side of the seat right there. That bronze star is, you know, obviously is a salute to our military service members, like the rest of the vehicle. This particular edition does have heated seats. If you go to your controls here, you can access your heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Obviously in wintertime, that heated steering wheel does come in handy. One of the cool things, though, is the performance pages. Now, if you go to the performance pages, it takes just a second to load. Give it a second here. But it does have features to allow you to track, you know, different things about your vehicle. You got your quarter-mile time, your horsepower, the G-force that you're pulling. You can add widgets to it. You got different gauges here you can look at, your oil pressure, your oil temp, your coolant temperature. If you go to your G-forces here, it's going to allow you to see all the G-force that you're pulling. Go to our home page here. It's a way for you to track your power, your torque. So if you go out of the performance pages, go back to your apps here. If you go to SRT mode, here it allows you to custom your vehicle however you want to drive. You got your track, sport option. You can customize it however you want. If you go into race options here, it's going to allow you to set your launch control, set your RPM, set your line lock in however you want it. There is also a launch control button down here that you can use. Go back here. It does come with Sirius satellite radio, always a good feature when you're cruising around, commercial-free radio. I've gotten so used to it that I can't imagine a vehicle without it anymore, to be honest with you. Has Bluetooth capability to be able to pair your phone. You got your dual climate control. On your dual climate control, passenger can set their temperature. You can sync it to where both of them are set to the same. So once again, my name is Shane Bearden. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Feel free to contact me at the number below. This vehicle is available and on our lot. Thanks again.